Regarding taqwa, in Tafsir Naimi, in explaining the importance of taqwa, explaining the importance of muttaqi, the interpreter of Tafsir Naimi, the scholar, he says that Mufti Ahmed Yar Khan Naimi Rahmatullah Alayh, he explains very beautifully that there are divers in the ocean. You see big oceans, they are divers. Who are those divers? They dive in the ocean, they try to take out some things that are very rare in the world, like diamonds, like pearls, everything. Similarly, they are divers for the ocean. What they do, they are professional divers. They are trained divers. They do not do it by themselves. First they get trained for that. After getting trained also, they get protection for that. They get clothes, they get oxygen cylinders, they get control systems, they have contact with somebody on the land. Then they go in the boat, and in the center of the ocean, they go by boat, and then they dive in the ocean. After diving in the ocean, they get inside the ocean very deep, and after that they try to get, after many successful hunting, they try to get something which is very rare in the world, like pearl, diamond, or anything from the sea. Because sea contains hidden treasures. But there are also people who don't know the diving, who never trained. There is a guy, for an example, there is a guy, he doesn't know diving. He just knows swimming pool. He just tried to swim in a 10 feet, 15 feet swimming pool. And he is saying, I will go into ocean, I know swimming, and I will dive into that ocean. I will get that hidden treasure from the ocean. What will happen if such a guy who has just gone through swimming in 10, 12, 15 feet, he knows swimming, but he is trying to get into ocean without any protection, without any system, without any training? Can he dive in that ocean? This is completely purely a suicide. He cannot dive. Even if he dives, he will never come back because he is not trained. A professional diver, after getting so much of years of training, he is eligible for diving in the ocean. Tafsir Naimi, he says, the scholar says, Mufti Ahmed Yar Khan Naimi, he says that for a professional diver, he gets training. After getting successful years of training, he dives in that ocean. But some normal diver, he cannot dive it. Normal swimmer, he cannot dive it. Similarly, Awliya Allah, the friends of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, says that Quran is an ocean of hidden treasures. Too much of hidden treasures inside the Quran, because this is the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For us to dive in that ocean, we should be trained, we should be experienced, we should be eligible for diving into the ocean of Quran. Hudal lil muttaqin, guidance of Quran, people of taqwa is necessary. To become taqwa, you should get training. To become taqwa, you should get training of Islam, the training of Iman, training of Islam. After that, you become a muttaqi, then you can dive. Then your heart will be open, and you will be getting the hidden treasures of Quran. And then you will not use this hidden treasure for yourself. You will share this with the ummah of Rasulullah. Similarly, if somebody not trained in Islam, Iman, Ihsan, not trained in the understanding of dream, he tries to get something from the Quran, then Quran is not only a guidance, Quran also makes somebody go astray. Means he may get kufr, he may get shirk, he may get nifaq. Because without understanding, without getting proper training of taqwa, he is trying to get the understanding of Quran by himself. Then that may lead to kufr, shirk and nifaq. Definitely. Since a swimmer in the world, not trained, he goes into the ocean and then he gets death. Similarly, if we dive into the ocean of Quran and try to interpret it by ourselves, try to understand by ourselves, then this may lead to us going astray, becoming a mushrik, munafiq or a kafir. So such is the importance of taqwa. So Hudal lil muttaqin, the Quran is a guidance for the people of taqwa. Quran is a guidance for the people